welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here, and welcome back to another $20 thrift store challenge. Guys, I am on the hunt looking for things to decorate my daughter's house. You know, I want to get that luxe look for less for myself as well as her, and I want to do it all on a budget. So in today's $20 thrift store challenge, we are looking for some things to decorate her home as well as mine. So watch until the end and I'll show you a haul, and then I'll show you how I am going to style the items in my home. This piece is a really nice photo display stand. I thought about picking it up. I thought it might look really nice in my daughter's home, but in the end I did not pick it up. I saw this candlestick. It was a great price. I considered getting it as well. But guys, I am on the hunt for specific things. I don't want to just pick up anything. This vase was nice. As you can see, it had two prices, $2.99 and $9.99. And I was pretty sure they would probably try to charge me $9.99, so I did leave it in the store. Now this piece reminded me of the same piece that was sold recently at Target. It was gold, remember that? And I'll put up a photo here. And I thought this would be perfect. I guess these were like tortilla holders, but you could spray paint those gold and have your own little decor piece. This gold candlestick reminded me of those candlesticks that Hannah Naylor recently showed on her channel that she got from RH. I thought this would be a similar option and at a more affordable price.
Cash app, I can send them some cash app or some cash. You got cash app?
No. This piece I found really interesting. It was $6.99, and the colors I thought would be perfect for fall, but in the end I did not pick it up. This was also an interesting piece. I thought maybe you could do a DIY on it, but again, not really what I'm looking for, so I also left it in the store. Looking back, I just saw those candles. I should have picked those up. I didn't even notice those. This canister of vase filler was really nice. $7.99. I mean, you get a big vase and all of this filler. I almost picked it up, but I didn't. So there is quite a lot of stuff here today, but not really anything that I am looking for. And again, I am shopping with intention. I am not picking up random things. So far, I have saw quite a few things that I almost picked up, but I didn't. So let's keep looking and maybe we'll get lucky. I am still on the hunt for some lamps for my daughter that we can upcycle and DIY. So of course I always have to look at the lamps, but they never have two alike. Until, wait, what? Uh-oh. I like this lamp. It's brass in color, but it has a black shade. It's dusty and dirty, but we can clean it up, and look, there's two of them. And they're only $13.99 a piece. Maybe we have hit the jackpot. Now this is a really nice lamp. I like the shape, but not the price. I'm not paying that for a lamp. Goodwill, I'm sorry. Your Goodwill. Yeah, it was a little bit too pricey, so I did not pick it up. So guys, there was not a lot here today. Oh, I did see this. This reminded me of those lamps that you see at RH. It was $12.99. It has some tarnish on it, but I was thinking, hey, I could spray paint it black and get me that luxe look for less. So did I pick it up? Well, stay tuned to the haul. All right, guys, so as you saw, there were a lot of things at the thrift store, the Goodwill, but they were things that I don't have a need for. So again, I'm trying to shop intentionally, and I only want to pick up things that I am actually going to use in my home. So we didn't pick up a lot, but I did see quite a few things. So one of the things that caught my eye was this candlestick. Reminded me of that one that Hannah Naylor showed. I think she got it from RH or Our House. I don't remember. I just remember it was gold, and I'm thinking when I saw this candlestick at the Goodwill, I'm thinking, you know, that is very similar, but it's at a much more affordable price. Again, giving us a similar look for less. So that stood out to me. There was only one of them though. I only saw the one. So I didn't pick it up because again, I want to shop for things that I'm going to use. Another thing that I saw that stood out to me was this large bowl of vase filler. Vase filler can be very, very expensive, especially from Pottery Barn. I have seen vase filler there. They sell it in like the smaller containers, but I've also seen them in a bag. You can buy the potpourri at the Kirkland's and other stores as well, but it just reminded me of something that you might see at Pottery Barn, especially the oversized vase. I don't know why I can't talk today. Especially the oversized vase. I liked it. It was large. Again, something that reminded me of Pottery Barn, but I did not pick that up either. And then the last thing that I saw that was, these are all items that I consider to be high-end dupes or similar to high-end decor inspired pieces. Then the last thing that I saw was this floor lamp. Pick up this lamp and give it a good DIY. I don't need any more lamps, as I keep telling you guys, but I don't know why they just keep coming home with me. But I did resist the urge and I did not pick this one up. But again, it was $12.99 and very similar to this one that I saw on the RH website. I think it was around $599. the gold on the one in the thrift store was tarnished. You can get a can of spray paint, spray it like a brassy gold color and bring it back to life. That is all that it needed. Or if gold or brassy tone is not your color, you could spray paint it black. So those are things that I saw that would give you a really high-end look for less. So when you are going out thrifting, go to your high-end stores, look for those pieces that inspire you, and then when you're out thrifting, look for something similar that will give you that same luxe look for less. So I did want to mention those items. I did not pick them up, but they did catch my eye. So now let me show you what I did pick up. All right, remember I told you I only picked up a couple of things and they were relatively inexpensive. So I figured I would go ahead and throw them in this video. So remember the rug that I purchased? It was a zebra round circular rug. It was supposed to have been black and white, but it came and it was black and ivory. Ivory I don't use, I decorate with true white. So I sent it back, and because it was outside of the return period, I had to get a store credit. So I got the rug from Wayfair, and so I decided, no, it wasn't Wayfair, it was Bed Bath & Beyond. So I used that credit and I bought a new bar table, or a bar console table. So I'm going to be switching out some things in my loft space, and I got this. I need my boyfriend to put it together for me. So I used that credit. So using girl math, it didn't cost me anything because it was money I had already spent. So that's one thing. And then I got these curtains. I want to do a warm, moody vibe in the loft space. And you guys know I normally decorate in black and white, so I decided I want to use slate gray curtains. I'm hoping they're going to look really nice, along with a pop of burgundy and a little bit of brown and tan in that space. I know you're thinking, Sheryl, brown and tan, gray? How is that going to work? Well, make sure you subscribe so you can see how it looks in the end. But let me go ahead and show you these lamps. All right, so here is one of the lamps that I picked up, and I thought it would look really, really nice in my loft space. I'm going for a moody fall vibe, and I want to bring in a little bit of warmth. So I thought these lamps would do the trick. For how much were they? $13.99. I thought that was a good price. I did a Google Lens search on these lamps, and these lamps, similar ones, are going from anywhere from $50 to $100 and $150 for lamps of this size. And to get a lamp base and a lamp shade for $13.99, I thought that was a really great price. Again, we picked up two, so two for $28, so $8 over our thrift store challenge budget. However, I told you guys to always be flexible. If you find something that you really like, you know it's not going to be there when you go back, so go ahead and pick it up. Again, I think this will look really, really nice in this space. If I don't like it, I can always do an upcycle on the base. I could paint it black, do some type of texture on it, change out the lampshade. I can do really anything with it. So I thought it was a good buy. And if I don't like it, you know, I can eventually re-gift it to someone else. But leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. But I think this was an excellent purchase. All right, guys, so that is the only thing that we picked up in our $20 thrift store challenge. So yeah, not a lot, but I am very happy with what I picked up. I'm very excited to style it in my loft space. That will be my next upcoming video. I can't wait to get started. I will start my fall decorating. I think I'm also going to black out my home again for fall. I absolutely loved it last year. You guys did as well. And I think I'm going to bring in some of those colors that I'm going to use in the loft, like the brown, the dark brown, the tan color, maybe some gray. I'm gonna bring that in like little accessories that I use in this space, and then the florals. I thought that would be really, really pretty. So if you're looking for some fall decorating inspiration on a budget, this is the channel for you. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStyle family. I have lots of budget-friendly, budget luxury decorating inspiration coming your way for fall and Christmas that you don't want to miss. And with that, my friends, that is all I have for you today, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys.